your destiny. The day you were born, certain powers were bestowed upon you that will be with you your whole life long. Since this date is unalterable, its personal vibrations shape every event or incident in your lifespan. The only choice you have in regard to your destiny is to follow either the negative or positive aspects of it. To be negative and constantly try to pursue a path that has not been predestined for you will only result in continual disappointment and failure. But if you look forward and live up to the only positive aspects, you will be amazed at how easily life unfolds for you and the contentment you will find throughout your life. All of the pieces will fall into place easily and unerringly. For example, a boy may be born with the inherent desire and power to be an attorney. His father, on the other hand, may insist on the boy's foregoing all thoughts of a legal career and joining his business instead, which the boy abhors. Out of respect for his father, the boy may suppress his personal desires and do as he is ordered, which in case he can never be really happy or successful. If he respectfully insists on pursuing the law career as destined for him, his life will progress happily and successfully as originally intended. We all have known married couples who cannot get along because each of them is on a different mindset, intent, and motivation. They seem to be constantly at loggerheads because neither can understand or accept the other's principles. Someone born with a 5 destiny, for instance, would have a strong urge to travel, whereas one born with a 4 destiny would have a more nose to the grindstone nature. These two could be extremely incompatible if they did not understand the nature of certain compromises necessary and possible in this union. Those of you who are unmarried can now check the destiny of each of your current dates and choose the one who is most likely to favor the lifestyle you prefer. Use this guide, too, to check the destined paths of friends, acquaintances, employees, and partners for a better understanding of their aims in life and what you can expect of them in regard to your own. Remember that your destiny covers your entire lifespan, even though you may not recognize all the aspects of the path outlined herein. They will eventually be very much evidence. Some people never recognize theirs until middle age or after, which is true in my own case. So don't fret if what you read is not all of you at the moment. The other important factor is whether one's lives live according to the positive or negative vibrations. For instance, in a 5 destiny, the travel indicated could represent progress in a positive sense, but great fickleness and irresponsibility when lived negatively. Are you beginning to get the picture? Determining your destiny. From the first day of your life to your last, you are governed by the destiny bestowed upon you by the date of your birth. The numerological value of this birth date will reveal to you the path of your destiny and suggest the line of personal development necessary to help you attain all you wish from life. To determine the number of your destiny, add together the number value of your month, day, and year of birth, and reduce the number to a single digit. The number value of each month is, let me put them on the board for you guys. Everybody see that? January 1, February 2, March 3, April 4, May 5, June 6, July 7, August 8, September 9, October 1, November 2, December 3. Okay? For example, if you were born on August 16, 1929, you would add August, which is 8, the date, the 16th, and the year, 1929. Okay? Everybody see that? Now when you add all these together, you get 1953, okay? Now we're not done there. You have to keep simplifying, all right? So we're going to break this down again. We're going to reduce this total to a single digit. 1 plus 9 plus 5 plus 3 equals 18. We're still not done, okay? We're still going to simplify it one more time, right? 1 plus 8 equals 9. Therefore, the destiny number for this birthday would be 9. The short method of obtaining the same number would be to add the dates this way. 8 for August, plus 1 plus 6 for the date, plus 1 plus 9 plus 2 plus 9 for the year, which equals 36. Reduce this number to one digit by adding 3 plus 6, which equals 9. This number then represents your inborn characteristic, latent talent, and moral fiber, all of which will shape your life on earth.